Guys, it's 2025 and Premiere Pro still doesn't support most languages natively. And here's how Beat.io comes in clutch, because in this site you can transcribe most languages super easily. And let me show you how. So we're gonna go to the site, I'll leave it in the description, and we're gonna make a new project over here. And next we're gonna choose the video that we want to transcribe. Here's a video of me talking Finnish, and we're gonna go to the subtitles section over here, and we're gonna select our language over here. For me it's Finnish, but you can see there's so many languages in here. You're gonna find your own language, trust me on this one. After you find your language, you're just gonna press auto subtitles and then your language over here. And then we give Beat like a minute to make our subtitles, and we're gonna see them now. And here you have a lot of pre-made ones like Ali Abdaal, Mr. Beast. But what we want to do is go here, press this little button over here, go download and download .srt format. So here we have the video that we just transcribed in Beat.io, and the next step we're gonna do is find the SRT file and drag it into Premiere Pro. So now we have the SRT file over here, and next we need to make some kind of style for the text. Let's just write tutorial or something, okay? Go to the text, make sure it's centered, go with essential graphics, make sure it's centered there as well. We can choose like monsterats, semi-bold, sure, white with some black stroke. And let's make a shadow for it as well. Okay, there we have a basic text for it. So now we choose the text in Essential Graphics. We press the plus icon over here, and we can name this, let's just do text style tutorial. And you can save it to your local files as well, so you'll find it from Essential Graphics, but I'm not gonna do that, so I'll just save it to the project. So now in our project file we have the text style over here, and what we can do now is drop the SRT file into the timelines. Just drag it and drop it. And now we can choose the style that we just made. Just press on it and boom, press OK. And now you can already see our subtitles, and what we do is highlight them all and press upgrade caption to graphic. And boom, there you have it. Now you can customize these however you want. And obviously it's not 100% perfect, so you have to check if there's any spelling mistakes, but usually it's pretty good. And if you want a nice discount, I'll leave my link in the description. You get 3 months 50% off by using my link.